Microtest 7140 Power Analyzer uses high-speed sampling at 500 kilosamples per second. Its analog-to-digital bandwidth exceeds 10 MHz. This ensures no signal loss from slow conversion. You get real and accurate power data. Microtest 7140 Power Analyzer supports 100-order harmonic analysis. It offers high measurement accuracy of plus or minus 0.05%. Supports waveform, trend, and bar chart measurement modes. View voltage and current fluctuations more intuitively. In 100-order harmonic analysis mode, engineers can choose to display odd or even harmonics. Viewing odd harmonics helps quickly identify issues like nonlinear loads or voltage distortion. Viewing even harmonics helps diagnose load imbalance or aging equipment. Switch to bar chart mode for a clearer view of each harmonic order. The 7140 also meets the IEC 61000-4-7 standard for harmonic measurement. The 7140 supports integration for up to 10,000 hours. It accurately measures current in ampere hours and energy in watt hours, ideal for durability testing of motors and rotating machines. The analyzer uses independent measurement modules. It performs harmonic analysis and integration in any screen mode, allowing real-time evaluation of harmonic effects in the system. Measurement data can be saved through the built-in USB host interface. Microtest 7140 Power Analyzer supports meter mode for production line testing. It features a 4.3-inch TFT LCD display with 5-digit measurement readout. In meter mode, operators can configure the display to show 4, 8, or 12 measurement parameters simultaneously. Additionally, for quality inspection, upper and lower limits can be set for multiple parameters, such as voltage, current, and power to perform pass-fail judgment and ensure production quality. Whether you're in R&D or on the production line, the Microtest 7140 Power Analyzer meets all your testing needs in one device.